Hello, friends! How are you all? Today, I've brought a really amazing and interesting trick for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva Pro without paying any money. Yes, completely free and with access to all the premium features. If you create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or any kind of graphic design, this trick can be really helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you can also learn the full method to use Canva Pro for free. All right, let's get started. Open New tab in the browser and type OXAM. Then click the first link. This page will open here. Up here, add any full name, add any email, and any number, and any password type. And here we do this. You can write something inside it, for example. It will work fine, meaning whatever you write will work. As soon as you click here, another page will be shown in front of you. Here you have to click on Click Here to activate Canva Pro, okay? And after that, it will give you the email and password of Canva Pro. After that, we have to click on Continue with Account here. After that, it will ask for your email. So from here, you have to copy this email and again, paste it here. Click on Continue again. After that, it will ask for a password. That too, you have to do from there and paste it here. Click on Login, then it will ask you for a code. Go back there and click here. Click on this link. As soon as you click on it, the latest code that will come here, we have to copy it and you have to paste it here. Then you will get the Pro version and you will be logged in. These tricks work for everyone. All the things of the same Darude will be unlocked and they can download them in high quality, higher resolution. They can use their templates that are from paid templates in the app. And one more thing is that for those for whom these tricks do not work, they must comment so that I can find another solution. And yes, if you liked the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Similarly, and we will see you in the next video for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.